Team Sinak was on an official tour to Jaipur and it conducted lots and lots of surveys with tourists and guides. Our primary goal was to figure out the problems between tourists and guides. Trust us, this factor named guides is hell lot of mess in tourism sector. On one side, we have government-approved tourist guides standing in a corner continuously shouting to fetch some tourists, ultimately ending up not satisfying themselves completely. While on the other side, private guides, modeled by private firms, takes huge benefit from the same without even holding approved licenses, which are red or green cards given by state government of Rajasthan. They charge tourists way beyond what government has fixed for. The only factor by which I as a tourist would choose private guide is the fact that they know more languages than Hindi and English. Local guides are only trained for English and Hindi, which can also be redefined. Our final perception to this problem, we concluded that due to the lack of visibility of local guides, external private agencies are dominating over local guides and this results in ultimately leaving local guides with nothing. Private agencies, due to their well-planned market strategies, are dominating way beyond these local guides. So do we have a solution for the same? Yeah, we do have. Here comes our product, DG Guide. A digital pocket guide which introduces transparency between local guides and tourists. Our product is totally focused on bringing tourists to local guides. We want to promote local guides up to the best we could. By giving them a suitable height in the profession, we want them to compete with private firms up to that level when private agencies start recommending them as professional guides. Let's see DG Guide in action. With the aim of making this system more transparent, we ended up making this portal for Rajasthan tourism. Here is the complete listing of what actually DG Guide is all about. We will be providing an online portal for all the local guides for them to stay connected and to become more visible among various foreign customers, local customers, hotels and other online package providing portals. This online portal would also make sure that be it a local guide or a private guide, they would always stick to a common pricing that is fixed by government schemes. Implementation of this portal is done keeping importance of data exchange in mind. The whole of the product is designed using REST framework, which makes data exchange much easier. This would also help others, those who can innovate with the idea of this product. We will also filter out guides on the basis of the language they are trained to speak in. So let's take a look into our real product named DG Guide. Based upon your current location as an input to our algorithm, it will print out the output in blue markers telling you the nearby locations of your area. Whenever you click on any of the nearby areas, it will tell you the number of guides available in those areas. It will also give you ratings, mobile numbers and option to book from there. This will continuously get updated as and when user drags the map. This algorithm also lets you input a city, state or postal code, and it uses advanced type ahead library to predict what you are about to type using our database of Rajasthan. Inputting Pushkar into the search bar, we are redirected to Pushkar or the nearby locations of Pushkar after Clicking on any of the marker in blue are redirected to guides available in those areas with the whole comparison and the status of the card they hold. This is just a prototype. Our app provides a feature to use it in night mode. We will continue building and enhancing our app. As already discussed, our app is fully based on REST framework and is focused on keeping exchange of data in mind. Let me show you the demo of what I am trying to say. In this way, our whole of the data could be shared with any of the new coming website, those who want to innovate with the idea of ours. We will also be constructing a React Native based app which does not have any of its database and completely dependent upon this one database using REST framework.